Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be well and welcome again in Ablon Public School at home. Dear students, I am Kausar Saraf, your math teacher for class 6. Dear students, in the last video we explained about the data handling and two questions I have completed and some question I have given to you for your homework also. After that, today we will discuss the mensuration. That is very important chapter for the next classes. So we will solve these questions with very interesting. Dear students, before the solving the concept and solving the questions, we follow some good manners such a way that to help your teachers and elders, always be ready to do the work they ask you to do. And second is turn off your TV or music volume when someone is talking a phone cell in the room. Thank you. Dear students, mensuration. Mensuration it means what is perimeter? Perimeter means let us revise the concept of mensuration we learned in the previous class. Perimeter we will look at the following example to understand perimeter. Anil decide to protect his garden by the putting a fence around it. We need to calculate the total length of the fence required. Okay, इट मीन्स अनिल के पास एक खेत है, उसको उसको प्रोटेक्ट करनी है, उसको क्या करना होगा, उसको फेंसिंग करवानी होगी, मीन्स दीवार बनानी हो या तार लगवाना होगा, जैसा कि आपके आसपास आजकल चल रहा है कि गाय बहुत परेशान कर रखा है खेतों को. ओके, सो टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द फेंस, अनिल मस्ट फाइंड द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द garden. So here this is 10 meter, 5 meter, 15, 15 6, 21, 21 and 4, 25, 25 and 4, 29, 29 and 9, 38. So it means he required to 38-meter length for fencing, 38 centimeter, 38 meter of length of the rope for fencing his garden. So the total length of the side of the garden is also known as the perimeter. Means total length of the garden will be क्या होगा, perimeter होगा. Therefore perimeter is the length of boundary of closed figure. Closed figure की जो boundary होगी उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, perimeter. Observe that the garden is in the shape of the closed figure. This is a to calculate the total length of the border. It is also perimeter. This is a calculate the total length of the boundary, means this, it is also perimeter, and calculate the total distance of the covered around the closed path, it is also perimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle, it means it have length and breadth, जैसा कि इसमें है, इस फिगर में ABCD, AB is a length and which is equal to the CD, means ये भी length हो गया और ये भी length हो गया. Okay, and AD and BC will be the breadth, so we see here breadth. So perimeter of ABCD means sum of all length, means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, length means AB, what is AB? Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So length and length, 2 times length, breadth plus breadth, it means 2 times breadth. When we take 2 as a common, we get length plus breadth. So the perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiply bracket length plus breadth. Okay students, this is very important formula for next classes and learn for forever. Now perimeter of regular shapes. Dear students, please watch this carefully. Regular shape are shape with all equal side, means regular का मतलब जिसकी साइड सारी साइडें एक दूसरे के इक्वल हो, that is shape is known as regular shape. Let us the find the perimeter of some regular shapes. It is a equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal to each other, means AB equal to BC equal to CA. So perimeter will be AB plus BC plus CA. It means 3 into side. And in square, perimeter square means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. It means side plus side plus side plus side. It means 4 into side. And in this figure, perimeter regular pentagon means side plus side plus side plus side plus, it means 5 into side. So dear students, from the above example, we can say that perimeter of regular shape is the number of the sides into length of side. अगर वो इक्वेटर ट्रायंगल होगा तो 3 इंटू साइड, अगर स्क्वायर होगा तो 4 इंटू साइड, अगर रेगुलर पेंटागन होगा तो 5 इंटू साइड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. Now, word concept time 9, word problem on the perimeter. The keyboard related to perimeter will help us to solve the word problem regarding the perimeter. Let us understand this using the following example. For example, the length and breadth of rectangle piece is of a length is 0.7 kilometer and breadth is 0.5 kilometer respectively. If each side is to be the fence with 4 round of a wire, what is the total length of the wire? So this was the solution. We take length is, means field is in the shape. This is length. Our length is given, that is 0.7 kilometer, means 0.7 kilometer. And this is a breadth, that is 0.5 kilometer. So perimeter of rectangular uh, rectangular piece of land will be 2L plus B. It is formula. So 2 length, that is 0.7, breadth, that is 0.5. When we add, so we get 1.2. When we multiply 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, means 2.4 kilometer in 1 round. If he required to if each side 4 राउंड वायर मीन्स, अगर इसको कितने राउंड वायर के कितने राउंड लगाने, 4 राउंड. इट मीन्स 1 राउंड, इट मीन्स पेरीमीटर. 4 राउंड होगा, हम क्या करेंगे 4 से मल्टीप्लाई, मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ वायर फॉर 4 राउंड around this field, it means 4 multiply perimeter. It means 4 multiply 2.4 kilometer. It means 4 4 the 16, carry is 1, 4 2 the 8 1 9, 9.6 kilometer wire is required. Wire is required. Okay students, I hope you become very well now to how to solve the questions such types. So please solve the practice question 3 of all parts. Okay students, and I writing here one question. Please solve on your notebook. Question is such that if a land is in the shape of square whose each side is 210 meter, find the length of wire for fencing around this field in 2 rounds. Okay students, so please solve this question in your fair notebook. Thank you and have a nice time.